If you'd like to learn how to draw a car, then this Volkswagen Beetle is a good one to try out. It's easy for all ages as the shapes are nice and simple. Follow along with me and we can draw this together. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The supplies you need for this project are just a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and a few crayons. For a link to a free step-by-step tutorial, check out the description below. Before we begin, I like to remind students that I like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They're also on all my tutorials and they really help you plan your drawing. Okay, let's begin by drawing those car wheels. Place your pencil on the center line and draw half of a circle on the right and then half on the left. When that is done, then draw a smaller circle inside for the hubcap. The wheel on the right side is drawn the same way. I like to draw circles like this, one side and then the other, because I think it's easier to make them round that way. When finished, be sure to add another circle inside. Now we can start to draw the car shape. Begin with a line that connects the two wheels. Then add a bumper on the right side that looks like it's coming out of that right wheel. And the same kind of shape extending from that back wheel too. Now the top of the car is going to go up here, so place your pencil on that mark and draw a nice curve to the left that goes down to the bumper. Now I'm going to plan the spot for where the front of the car is going to bend, and then I'm going up to the top of the paper and drawing a curve down to that mark, and then another curve down into the front bumper. Now we can add the side windows. They kind of look like slices of pizza. One on the right and one on the left, with a little space in between. That front car window is wrapping around a little bit and would look like this. The same happens on the back, so it has the same shape. Our car also needs some fenders, which are pretty easy to do. Just draw these kind of curves that are attached to the back and the front wheel. Now we can add some simple car lights. They can just be ovals that extend out of the car shape a little bit. Just be sure to erase any lines that are inside them when you're done. Next come a couple of horizontal lines, so it looks like this car is on a road. I'm going to add some bushes for my background now, but please feel free to draw something else if you have any other ideas. Oh, one thing I almost forgot to add, a small door handle. Now to brighten things up a little, I'm going to add a cloud on the right side that is going off the page. I think I also want one on the left. I like to draw my clouds flat on the bottom and with their puffy shapes on top. All right, it looks like our pencil drawing is all done, so get out that black marker and carefully trace over those lines so we can see them really well. Before we do any coloring though, it's a good idea to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. Now those crayons can come out. I'm going to begin with red because that kind of seems to be the classic color for this car. Then my car wheels are of course black. The hubcaps inside are silver. I have some yellow for those lights. And a kind of dark brown for the road. A kind of medium green shade for those bushes. And the same for the grass that's next to the road. Finally, all that sky is going to be filled in with my favorite light blue. So that's how easy it is to draw a car, one that looks like the famous VW Beetles. I think they just have a cute look to them, no matter what color they are. When you visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more transportation drawing projects, including one for a train and one for an airplane. I'm happy to say that over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I hope you liked this lesson, and if you are watching this on YouTube, remember, if you like and subscribe to my channel, you get notified when I post a new video.